Hey there, plant lovers. If you're ready to master cactus care, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm sharing 10 simple steps to keep your cactus thriving. So let's dive in. First up, choose the right cactus. There are so many varieties out there, from the classic saguaro to the quirky bunny ear. Pick one that suits your style and environment. Next, it's all about the soil. Cacti love well-draining soil. You can buy cactus mix at your local nursery or make your own with sand, perlite, and potting soil. Step 3, light is crucial. Cacti need lots of sunlight, ideally 6 to 8 hours a day. Place them near a south-facing window for optimal exposure. Now let's talk water. Overwatering is the #1 cactus killer. Water your cactus thoroughly, but let the soil dry out completely between watering. Fifth, temperature matters. Cacti are desert plants and thrive in warm conditions. Keep them in a spot where the temperature stays between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, don't forget to fertilize. Use a cactus-specific fertilizer during the growing season, typically in the spring and summer. This helps promote healthy growth. Seventh, give them room to grow. Repot your cactus every couple of years to provide fresh soil and more space for their roots to expand. Eighth, watch for pests. Scale insects and mealybugs can be a problem. Check your cactus regularly and treat any infestations promptly with insecticidal soap. Ninth, pruning isn't usually necessary, but if your cactus gets too tall or leggy, you can trim it back. Be sure to use clean, sharp tools to avoid infection. Finally, enjoy the process. Cactus care is a rewarding hobby, and watching your plant thrive is incredibly satisfying. There you have it. 10 simple steps to mastering cactus care. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more plant tips. Happy growing!